guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you another simple science experiment. You know that you can use salt water to make a light bulb shine? It sounds crazy, but it's true. Because salt water is a good conductor of electricity. Let me explain how. You see, salt molecules are made of sodium ions and chlorine ions. An ion is an atom that has an electrical charge because it has either gained or lost an electron. When you put salt in water, the water molecules pull the sodium and chlorine ions apart, so they are floating freely. These ions are what that carry electricity through water. I have a container of salt water and wires attached to a metal piece, and I have two batteries. Now I put the wires inside the salt water. I put the batteries like this. Can you see the light bulbs shining? Wow! Salt water is a good conductor of electricity.